By the time Florence hit the North Carolina coast, it had weakened from a Category 4 hurricane to a Category 1. Resident Famous Roberts decided not to evacuate.
A lot of people didn't think it was actually going to be as bad as it did, but with the category drop, yes, that's another factor why we did stay.
Wind speeds determine a hurricane's category, and Florence's had dropped to a relatively tame 140 kilometers per hour. At the top of the scale, Category 5 starts at 250 kilometers per hour. But soakers like Florence have some meteorologists reconsidering that scale, like the University of Georgia's Marshall Shepard.
There's a significant danger in focusing too much on category with storms like Hurricane Florence or Harvey. The impacts of those storms are much broader than wind speed, but yet that's what the categories in the Saffir-Simpson scale give us.
The most damaging part of Florence was not the wind, it was the rain, more than 80 centimeters in some places. And last year, Hurricane Harvey poured more than 120 centimeters of water over parts of Texas.
Neither of these storms were really above Category 1 when they did their most damage. Of course, Harvey was a Cat 4 at landfall, but most of that rain fell in Houston when it was a tropical storm.
Forecasters warned about catastrophic flooding as Florence approached the coast, but experts say the message might not have resonated the way a simple 5-point scale does. Famous Roberts says he'll pay closer attention when the next storm hits.
Because you never know. I mean, when they tell you things, you listen, you know. Next time it could be worse.
Some scientists are working on alternative ways to convey the potential threats that storms carry. But for now, they say, Categories 1 through 5 are the best they've got. Steve Baragona, VOA News.